Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Amadeus Pianos. And today I'm going to review this little tool that I never thought I'd buy because I thought, what's the use of this thing? I'll just do it the old-fashioned way. So I finally bought it just to kind of play with my own mind and see where I'm going to end up. And this is the tool that lifts out punchings, felt punchings, paper punchings under a keyboard. And I am amazed after, I don't know, 35, 36 years of taking out these punchings by screwdriver, by forceps, by hand, by any other tool handy. These guys seem to do the trick amazingly well. Step right up to the Steinway keybed here and check out how quickly and efficiently, stress-free, we take out these punchings for replacement. You can actually feel with the tool whether you're grabbing paper punchings along with the felt or not, and you can kind of back out and re-enter and make up your mind, see if you want to grab the whole thing or just the top layer. I mean, so far this has just been a game changer. I mean, even if it takes me a little bit longer because this is the very first time I'm using this tool, I already feel a huge decrease in fatigue, and I feel absolutely nothing. I mean, this is incredible. So the guys at Schaff, whoever created this little tool, big ups to you guys, because this is nice. Big punching works like it should. Too much here. I mean, yeah, they do come off by hand, but it's not that great for your fingers, you know. After a few thousand sets, I wish I would have had this little tool way back in the day. So yeah, super psyched. Keep it up.